Some boats are built for show, some boats are built to go. But sometimes you'll find a boat that is built for both. My name is Jack Neely and this is a Bertram 39 center console, a battle wagon born from the rough waters of Bimini and that true legend of offshore fishability. Starting in the aft position of this 39 Bertram, you are met with twin Mercury 600 V12s. Pushing this boat, cruising around that 35 to 40 range and that top end close to 60. This Bertram has a very, very large cockpit. With a 13-foot beam, this is made for those days that you're not working anymore and starting fishing. You are met with twin 60-gallon live wells, and down in the deck, you have two in-deck fish boxes insulated for all your catch. Here, you are met with a aft-facing mezzanine seat with a cooler integrated with a freezer plate underneath. Also, a lot of tackle storage. Here at the helm of this 39 Bertram, this boat is made for rough water. You have room for 4 people up here at the helm. A massive, massive windshield to get you out of that wind when you're underway, and everything integrated to your screens, and also redundant switching for all that a captain needs. As we make our way down into the cabin of this 39 Bertram, you'll notice that there is a large berth. Underneath the berth, you'll have rod storage and extra storage for any of your gear. Over on your right side, you'll notice you'll have a TV, your breaker panel, a freshwater sink, fridge, and behind that, you have your head, and that is a wet head with a shower. And on your way out, you're met with a microwave oven. As we make our way to the bow of this 39 Bertram, you'll notice you are met with a lot of space, something Bertram's really known for. You have super, super high gunnels giving you that comfortability while you're offshore, but not only that is the Bertram hull is known for its deep V design, giving you the peace of mind while you're captaining at the helm that your passengers up in the bow are going to be very comfortable even in those rough seas. You have an option for a table here that is stowed away in front of your bow cushion. You have a windlass, of course, and something Bertram specific is you have fender and line storage, and on your port side you have your dive ladder. This specific Bertram is optioned with a tower, a great vantage point for you or the kids just to run and be able to look for fish, giving you your electric binnacle, your joystick, and another Garmin so that you can run from up top. So what really is the 39 center console? It's your offshore weapon. It's your family cruiser. It's a boat that really can do everything. If you have any questions about specs, pricing, or availability, my name is Jack Neely with MarineMax St. Petersburg, and call me at 904-655-8383.